Mental health is a vital part of overall well-being, and in India, there are different laws that describe instructions and guidelines to protect the rights of people with mental health issues. These laws ensure that individuals with mental health conditions get proper care, treatment, and protection from discrimination. Besides, the Indian government has created specific laws and provisions to support mental health, with a focus on equality and the right to access mental health care. Hello everyone, as you must understood, in this video, I am going to discuss mental health and respective laws. So, let's begin with the supreme law of land, that is, the Constitution. Constitutional provisions on mental health. Though, the Indian Constitution does not specifically mention mental health, but certain fundamental rights and directives principles indirectly address issues related to mental health, right to life and personal liberty defined under Article 21. This is one of the most important constitutional provisions that protects an individual's right to life and personal liberty, which includes access to health care, including mental health care. Second one is equality before the law defined under Article 14. It ensures that people with mental health conditions are not discriminated against and are treated equally before the law. Third one is right to education defined under Article 21A. Mental health is also indirectly connected to the right to education, as students with mental health issues should not be denied access to education. Fourth one is Directive Principles of State Policy. Article 41. The state is tasked with providing public assistance to individuals who are sick, including those with mental health issues. Our next law is an exclusive legislation, that is, Mental Health Care Act, 2017. The Mental Health Care Act, MHCA, 2017 is the primary law governing mental health in India. It replaces the outdated Mental Health Act, 1987 and aims to ensure better treatment, care, and protection for people with mental health issues. Some key provisions of the Act are right to access mental health care, defined under Section 18. Every person has the right to access mental health care and treatment, which should be affordable, available, and of good quality. Second one is informed consent. Defined under Section 2, it means a person must give informed consent before undergoing treatment. This applies even to individuals who are being treated for mental illness, ensuring their autonomy is respected. Third one is protection from discrimination, defined under Section 21. Individuals with mental illness should not be discriminated against in any setting, whether in employment, education, or health care. Fourth one is advance directive given under Chapter 3. This allows individuals to decide in advance how they wish to be treated in case they develop a mental illness in the future and are unable to make decisions for themselves. Section 5. Fifth one is mental health review boards, given under Chapter 11. These boards are set up to review treatment and rights of patients with mental illnesses and ensure compliance with the Act. Next one is the Rights of Persons with Disabilities Act, 2016, RPWD Act. The RPWD Act, 2016 aims to protect the rights of persons with disabilities, including those with mental health conditions. Key points related to mental health include definition of disability defined under Section 2, as the Act includes mental illness as a category of disability and provides for various rights for individuals with mental disabilities. Second one is rights to education defined under Sections 16 to 18 and skill development and employment defined under Section 19 to 23. Persons with mental health issues have the right to education and employment and must not be discriminated against in the workplace or in educational institutions. Next one is the National Trust for Welfare of Persons with Autism, Cerebral Palsy, Mental Retardation, and Multiple Disabilities Act, 1999. This act aims to promote the welfare of persons with mental retardation, now considered intellectual disabilities, and other disabilities. It also provides for the establishment of organizations that offer education, healthcare, and rehabilitation for individuals with such conditions. Next one is Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita, BNS, and mental health. The BNS, which governs criminal law in India, contains provisions that address issues related to mental illness. Section 22 of BNS defines insanity defense as a person suffering from a mental illness and unable to understand the nature of their actions cannot be held criminally responsible for their actions. This is an important provision that protects individuals with mental health issues from criminal punishment in certain circumstances. Attempt to suicide, defined under Section 309 of Indian Penal Code. This provision, which criminalized suicide attempts, was decriminalized to a large extent by the Mental Health Care Act, 2017, which recognizes that people who attempt suicide may be suffering from mental health conditions and need treatment instead of punishment. Likewise, these various legislations have made significant progress in protecting the rights of people with mental health issues. The Mental Health Care Act, 2017, along with other laws, ensures that people with mental illnesses have access to proper care, are protected from discrimination, and are treated with dignity. These laws help create a more inclusive and supportive society for individuals with mental health challenges. Hope you understood the concept clearly. However, if anyone of you are known facing any such issues like discrimination or their rights are being ignored, you can write to us on given email ID. Our expert lawyers will assist at earliest. This is all for this video, but do not forget to like, share, and subscribe our channel to know more such concepts. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.